Well, weather in action. Hello class, I just wanted to upload this here this morning and show you a very deep area of low pressure which has developed in the New England states. Just to kind of give you your bearings here, this is the state of Maine and here's the city of Boston down here in Massachusetts. So these circles are isobars, lines of equal pressure. Again, this is rather applicable to some of the beginning concepts that we have this week. And so when you see them tightly packed together like this, that means that the pressure of this system is very, very low and very, very deep. And as a matter of fact, this is called a low pressure system or a cyclone. The two terms are really interchangeable, just like high pressure system and anticyclone are the same thing. This particular storm, though, has the label bomb cyclone. And the process of getting one of those to develop is called bomb cyclogenesis. Cyclo for the cyclone part, genesis for the formation part. Anyway, this is pretty common, especially in the northeastern U.S., and the reason for that is because of the increased energy and the warmth you get from the Gulf Stream butted up against cold air coming in from Canada. This often just adds to the energy of an entire system and it makes it so that these lows, these bomb cyclogenesis episodes can happen up there with a little more frequency. Anyway, just a couple other things I would point out about this. This is radar. This is precipitation wrapping around this low. You can probably see in the video, but these little barb-looking things are shorthand for wind. And they're basically the flags on the end are wind speed, and these always kind of point in the direction that the wind is flowing. You will always see in a low pressure area that the winds are flowing across the isobars toward the center. That's a pretty important concept, and we'll get into that a little bit later in class when we talk in detail about pressure systems and how they're related to wind. Anyway, and if you're wondering if this is a snowstorm, and oftentimes these are if they occur later in the season, but if I just change the temperature here, you'll see that readings are in the 50s and the mid-40s, and the whole structure is just not really conducive to major snow. Although, if we were later in the season, this would be probably a pretty near blizzard condition for folks living, especially, let's say, in upstate New York right now. Anyway, just wanted to put that out there. I said that we would use this tool for current weather developments, and this is certainly a big one. This is one of the reasons why I got into meteorology. I think things like this are fascinating. Anyway, we'll be posting more videos as the weather changes.